Making video is the first secret to learn English, to improve our fluency, to get our accent, and that is why each and every single day I try to maintain my regularity. You know, guys, I am a fond of making videos. Wherever I go, whatever I see, I try to explain each and everything in English. For that reason, I will request to all of you, if you have any intention, any burning desire, or any curiosity to learn this language, definitely making video will be the best option for you to practice with others. Nowadays I am getting an objection or objection and excuse, brother, I don't get partner, how I can practice my English? I will say, you can practice your English by making videos. It is the best option. Just open the camera and just you should speak loudly. And another thing is that you shouldn't upload your video on the social media. If you want, you can keep it in your own site or secret, because at the very first time you may face a lot of bull, or you may face a lot of mistake, and that is why you shouldn't upload. But whatever you should just make video, and then you should listen your own video again and again, more and more, repeatedly and continuously. You will be able to find out your mistakes, what you are doing in your conversation. So I will request to all of you, never ever try to give any blame and excuse. Whatever you have, just make it perfect. Never wait in perfect environment, perfect person, or perfect time. Perfection will never come automatically. It takes time and dedication. So keep practicing, keep learning, take care of yourself. Have a great day.